Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix the Snapchat sound not working. If you have a problem of your Snapchat sound not working or you are not be able to hear your Snapchat sound or sound of videos on Snapchat, now I am telling you the reasons. Basically, if you have a Bluetooth on, you may have Bluetooth connected to AirPods or a speaker or any other device in other room. So you have to uncheck the Bluetooth. Second, you have to raise up the volume of your phone and make sure that your volume is not low and your volume is high. The third thing is you can or you should unclick on the do not disturb. Now I hope that after this you can be able to hear your Snapchat video sound. But if still you can't be able to hear sound, you have to come back and simply restart your phone. After the phone is restart, it makes sure that your phone is not connected to any other device. So I hope you can understand my explanation well. But still, if you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.